Ngut ki Kynthei Riewniam ka balang Catholic lani ki sister lem uway pat ubrio kila Shakam hadur railway station haka arpusan tere unaitung araja arpusan na ka jing Mudui Dkhot ka Bajrang dal ubla kenno bagi don kiti kayi brio bat penkala niam jubor. Kini kalau wanra ke jing penram na keleng ki benta bat uba ALHEC u MLA ke BJP na pentorum kra bat u menteri break mi yakatanat fisheries ke sarkar jella haka arpo kundai tere unaitung araja arpusan ula Phah jingthoh shau menteri rangba ke jella Chhattisgarh u Vishnu Dio Desai. Kita ki Kynthei Riewniam ke balang Catholic latip kertengkum ke sister Preeti Mary bat sister Vandana Francis bat uwe pat ubala Shakam lang latip kum Sukaman Devi. Haka jingthoh uba ALHEC ula kentu yo menteri rangba ke jela Chhattisgarh untuk kelar halor kini bat dawa pelat ya kita ki Kynthei Riewniam.
I already had my telephonic discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Shri Vishnu Dio Desai. I had requested him and also have told him that I am sending you a letter to you, sir, for the immediate release of the two Catholic nuns which were arrested on the 25th July 2025 from the Dkhot railway stations based on a complaint by the Bajrang. So the Honorable Chief Minister, he is very, very happy, and also they told me he will be taking all the positive steps and immediately to release soon to those two nuns. That is assurance given by the Honorable Chief Minister. So today only I am already sending this letter to Honorable Chief Minister as discussed with him to immediate release of these two Catholic nuns. See, they're arrested. What is the issue? I do not be able to tell you anything, but it is my responsibility and duty. I have already written a letter to Honorable Chief Minister. I'll also discuss with the have a talk with the Honorable Chief Minister. He had assured me also that we will be release them very soon. I'm not concerned with the other people. I'm concerned only. I'm a BJP minister and I'm also a human being. So the human being should be given justice. That's all only I know. Now, according to the press notes, the press news, they went to the DURG railway station of Chhattisgarh to I don't know for what reason they're going to picked up somebody or to go by themselves or only, but we know only that is which is already there in the news. No, that is you have to be first find the fact. We cannot blame anybody like that. Even we are also here. We are running the government with the BJP only, so cannot be blamed like that. No, we are also here with BJP government. So how you will blame me like that? So that is my duty as a BJP MLA and also the national executive member of BJP to raise the voice of the vulnerable society. That's all only. Yeah, for anything.
From the CM of
he had assured me, the CM had assured me that it will be released soon. This is done by some individual. We cannot blame the entire community. We cannot blame the entire state. We cannot blame the entire society because of 1-2 of the incident happened by 1-2 person. We cannot be blamed the entire community. I'm not saying Bajrang Dal, but some of the activities from there. I'm not blaming the entire organization. Why should we blame the entire organization? If somebody doing here, somebody happening in Meghalaya, any Khasi doing, all the Khasi are doing the same. That cannot be possible, no. It cannot be blamed like that, no. 1-2 people are there who are creating this kind of, the hatred in the society, but not as the organization. I am blaming only those persons those who are doing this.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi panai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya